Alright, let's go through some problems on how to solve for x. So for the first question, 24 is equal to x minus 6. So what we can do is we can bring negative 6 from the right hand side and go to the left hand side so that it becomes positive. So 24 plus 6 is equal to x. So therefore x will equal to 30. Alright, the next problem. 4x plus 15 is equal to 3. So what we can do here is we can bring the 15 to the right hand side so that 4x is equal to 3 minus 15. And 3 minus 15 will give us negative 12. And we can just simply divide both sides by 4 to get rid of the 4's here, such that x is equal to minus 3. Alright, next problem. So x over 3 is equal to 12. What we can do is to get rid of the denominator here, we need to multiply both sides by the same number. So this would cancel out, and then x is just going to equal to 36. Alright, next problem. 5 over 2x is equal to minus 10. So again, we can do the same thing. We can get rid of the denominator by multiplying both sides by 2. So by multiplying both sides by 2, we cancel this part out, so that 5x is simply equal to negative 20. And if we divide both sides by 5, x will equal to minus 4. Next problem. Minus 2x is equal to minus 14. So we can just simply divide both sides by minus 2. So minus 2x over minus 2 is equal to minus 14 over minus 2. Cancel both sides. X will equal to, now because they're both negative, we're going to end up getting a positive result. So negative 14 divided by negative 2 gives us positive 7. Alright, the next problem. 9 minus 4x is equal to 17. So again, we can bring the 9 to the right hand side so that this becomes negative 9. So minus 4x is equal to 17 minus 9, which ends up becoming 8. And then we simply divide both sides by minus 4. So we divide both sides by minus 4 such that x is equal to minus 2. Finally, the last problem. So 2.5x plus 7.1 is equal to 22.1. So again, 2.5x is equal to 22.1 minus 7.1, where 2.5x is equal to 15. Now we subtract these two, and then we just divide both sides by 2.5, which we cancel this part out, and then x will equal to 6. Therefore, these are all the solutions for solving for x for the first problem set.